can you please tell me what equation I'm using and why, and then give me the equation? Yes? And the equation, please. Nope. Just, yeah. Yeah. Okay, while I was walking around when you guys were going through the questions, this example, a few people were getting the interest rate all mixed up, so I'm going to take a second just talk about that. Let's do the first two ones. Desiree, can I quickly get PV in this case? Okay. Aaron, can I quickly get R? Okay. Sam, can you tell me what I is? And I want to discuss for a sec. Go ahead. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so let's just take, okay, one sec, ladies and gents, please. Okay, please note 20% is 0.2, not 0.02. So you really have to be careful with that, all right? Again, when you divide by 12, it's got to be like a decimal point 0.016666. Austin, it's your time to shine. Can you sub some numbers in for me, please? Go ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, Angela, you're up. What do I do now, please? Good. And what you got? Good. So 10 equals 1 minus 1.01666. Okay, now there are some of you here that have super duper calculators that can do things in fraction mode. If you like fractions, go right ahead. Okay, and you can leave that as whatever that would happen to be. Okay. Alex, you're up. Next up is what? Good. Good. And you get what? Okay. Any questions so far? Because I really, really need us to get this. Ivan, all's well? We're good? Okay. Okay, next up is what? Because people are going to freak out on these next two steps. Georgie, what do I do? Subtract the ones. That turns into negative 0.8333 equals negative 1.01666. Negative n. All right, Noah, you're up. Go. What do I do? Not quite. Good. Because if you log, what's going to happen is that you're going to get an error, right? So we're going to multiply by -1 first. And then log. Okay, so that turns into positive 0.8. All right, Emily, what do I do next, please? Okay. Kayla, did you get an answer for that by any chance? One sec, Taylor. Negative 11.03. Okay, so what's going to happen to you guys on your test is a Ty's going to come up to me at this point and go, Mr. Sadler, this is a mistake. I have negative 11.034n. And I'm going to say, don't worry. Taylor, why is that okay? Right on. It's got to be a positive. It has to be positive. Negative n is that. So positive n is 11.03 equals n. What does that number, please? What is that number? Anybody here? What is that number? Therefore, it takes 11 months and a little bit. So that means that in general, it's going to be after 11 months, he would owe a few bucks left over, right? So after 11 payments, his 12th payment would be like a few bucks only. Okay, now for the difficult part for Luke. For Luke and for everyone else. Luke, next part, are we okay on this before I zoom ahead? Okay? I'll take your time. It's okay. While Noah's still copying, Luke, can you tell us how I find my interest? Good, right? So his total payments, what Taylor has paid me, is going to be however many months it is times my payments, right? So $500 a payment times 11.0 months will be how much he paid me. Subtract what he borrowed in the first place, and that's going to be the interest. Can I jump ahead to the next page now? Yes? Okay, so the interest is going to be payments minus borrowed. So the payments are 500 times 11.03 minus 5,000. All right, what is 500 times 11.03? Go ahead, Taylor, you're in the zone. 5,515.00? Yeah. And that's approximate. I'm assuming there's more decimals on there, right? But that's okay. All right, 5515 minus 15 is, oh, there isn't? Okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Wonderful then. Therefore, Taylor paid $515 in interest. Okay, so he paid 11 months. He borrowed $5,000 from Mr. Sadler, the loan shark. These are in poker debts that he owed me, obviously. I'll talk to you after. We'll tell jokes after, okay? So Taylor paid $515 in interest, okay? Now, some people say that's good. Some people say that's bad. That's scary on your credit card, paying $500 a year. Do you know what I paid on my credit card this year for interest? Zero. Do you know how much my credit card paid me? No, they paid me about $100. So I had one of those nice cashback cards. Sorry, I hope MasterCard isn't listening to this because I ripped you off this year, MasterCard. I did. We'll leave that for right now. Any questions on this? We're okay? Okay, choice assignment number 30 is coming up right now. The last one.